So with one of the projects that I said in one of my other videos that I wanted to do with the car was change the grill. This picture doesn't really look too good to me, but from a car that I've seen it on, it looked real nice. So I think all about this is $40, and also anybody else that has the sport grill on the E60 knows about these falling out, so gotta replace that too. So I think in all is $56.98. I think that's pretty straight. So I'm gonna order this and let y'all see how it looks. So I bought a
Get me out of that. Don't take me out of that. Cause I
what you do?
Take me out of that because I didn't want to be on
All
this.
right. So what's going on is I ordered a new piece for my car. Well, the bumper, the lower bumper. I'll show y'all. Yeah, I the video. Yeah, I did in the video. People want to see your cake. Yeah. That's them sharp. Sharp. All right. Okay, left front bumper M Sport package grill. That's what it says. That is what it says. Now let's see what it looks like and how I'm going to install it so it doesn't fall out again. So this little thing here. Got some more grills coming on the way. All right, so this piece I got to fit right. Wow. Give me 1 second. This piece I got to fit right here. Right here. I don't really know how to put it in yet, or if it's even the right piece. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Because it's supposed to look like this one over here. And I will finally have this seat. Actually, it really might be that simple. Wow. Yeah, it is. But, I don't know. That one looks a little too dark. Or should it look that dark? Alright, but anyway. I'm gonna actually like glue this in somehow. Maybe I just fucked up and it's not coming out. Fuck. Alright. Yeah, maybe that's it. It's a little too dark. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, what happened to my hand? Ouch. I got it 100% in there. Right. Just a little bit darker. A little ashy down there.